Okay, and here's starting the second part.
Right, so what we're going to be needing here is this. In Italiano, come si chiama?
Rotella.
Rotella. Okay, so it's called a rotella, which would mean, I guess, a little wheel. We're going to need a fork, I guess, for pressing the pasta together. We're going to need a spoon for taking out the cheese. And after it's been left for quite a while, it's now got quite hard. So if you can hear that, that's what it's supposed to be like. Okay, so the next phase is what? Quindi prossima fase?
Ok, tagliamo I quadratini.
Okay. So we've got to cut lengthwise, and here we're doing about probably 2 centimeters thick. She seems to have a very good eye for straight lines. So we've got about 2 centimeters.
Quadratini.
Okay.
Di 3 centimetri.
Right. Okay. Right, so we've got squares coming out. She's saying it's around about 3 centimeters, so I'm completely wrong there.
Ok. Bene, adesso mettiamo il ripieno.
So basically like that. Okay. So now she's basically taking off a little tiny bit of cheese, this cheese mix, for the fill.
Un po' di pazienza perché appiccica.
Yeah. Okay. You need a bit of patience because it sticks. Okay. So as you can see, it's not a lot. Okay. I guess it's quite important here because.
Prendiamo e tiriamo così. Sono un po' ciccioni.
Right. So.
Aspetta che mi faccio vedere.
Right. So you've got to stick the. Okay. So the first part here is to stick the 2 angles together, the opposite angles together here, and then you push the other angles together at the back. Okay? Quindi si riesce a farlo. Okay?
Uniamo questi 2.
Okay, perfect. So that's what it's got to look like afterwards. Okay? So we've got 1 angle here, the other 2 angles stuck together at the top, and obviously that is the filling in the middle. Okay?
Vuoi provare?
Sì. Yeah, so uso questo che è girato. Right, so the idea is to make it into a triangle. Okay? You stick that together. Whoopla. Oh! No, you don't do that at all.
Lascialo lì.
I gassed.
Te lo preparo.
Okay, yes. Okay, just give me a little bit less. Okay, so we stick this together like a triangle. Okay, stick there. Then you, I guess, stick the edges together and pull them back. Okay, and stick them together there. Okay, so that, yeah. Hers is a lot better, but anyway, that's the way you do it, and I guess you just get better as time goes on. Faccio un altro.
Sì.
Okay, so make it into a triangle, stick it together, press the edges and stick them together at the back.
Facile, no?
Okay, so, oh yes, now that's how it's supposed to look like. Okay, back and front, there. Righto, okay, so now we're doing ravioli. Okay, so we've got a dish a little bit bigger because she went on and did a little bit more. We're using my pasta, which Meris has actually sorted out, so now it's a little bit better. And let me just show you very quickly the pasta that we did before. Okay, right.
Ok. Allora, adesso facciamo la metà.
Okay, so we're going to cut it in half, fold it in half.
Questo lo togliamo, se no andiamo a mettere delle cose che non conservano.
Okay, cut the pieces that obviously are not doubled up.
Ok,
Oh.
questa è la metà.
Okay.
Così. E qui facciamo così.
Obviously quite a bigger portion here of filling. So now we've got them all here, and now we do the finishing
Ok,
passes. Okay.
chiudiamo.
Okay, so we'll close it along the fold in the middle.
Vediamo un po'. Ok. Facciamo uscire l'aria.
Okay, so she's taking out all the air.
Ok. Allora, io faccio così. Schiaccio perché si devono incollare.
Okay, so she's squashing it quite
Schiaccio
heavily
qui.
to make sure that it
Schiaccio
sticks
ognuno,
together. So each one gets stuck together
Faccio
quite.
uscire l'aria.
Take out the air and squash it. Quello lì è molto aria lì dentro.
Sì. Ok.
Okay.
Poi riprendo qui.
Right, so these are, questi qui sono tortellini, giusto? Questi qui, so these here are tortellini, and the difference is that they've got a hole, okay? And this type of work comes from Bologna, okay? Whereas these, okay, don't have a hole, and they come from Romagna, okay? So there you go, you can see a hole a little bit easier there, okay? So cappelletti, okay? Sorry, these are cappelletti, and these are tortellini, okay? Right. Right, so there you have it. And Meris is carrying on merrily with her tortellini. Cappelletti. Tortellini or cappelletti?
Cappelletti.
Cappelletti, okay.
Tortellini.
1 second. Okay, right, so here we've got broth. Okay, so it's like a soupy thing. So we're going to put some in just to try them. Okay, so.
Poi quando vengono a galla.
Okay, so as always, when they come to the surface, they're cooked. Then in the other pan, we've got water. Okay, as you can see, they're coming to the surface really, really quickly. Quindi sono più o meno pronti.
Sì,
Cioè,
2 minuti.
2 minuti.
Sì.
Okay, so she's saying 2 minutes and it will be ready. Right.
Posso?
Wow, what satisfaction!
Sale.
Okay, salt in the water.
Poi.
Now we're doing the ravioli in the water. Same again here. Couple of minutes. They've got to be on the surface to be sure that they're cooked. And whilst that's going, Meris is putting on some butter with sage.
Tanta acqua.
Lots of water, she says. You need lots of water to actually cook these in. I did ask her for oil and sage, but she said it's got to be done with butter. So, but I know that you can do it with oil. It's just obviously butter is the traditional thing. So I will be trying this against all my beliefs in being vegan and everything like that. But there you go. Okay, so a couple of minutes there, and we're pretty much sorted there.
Okay. Right, okay, so Maris has told me that they used to make wine until these new laws came in that you had to have a ceiling higher than what they had. You had to have, anyway, a load of rules. So eventually they had to stop. But this is a cantina quite close to them, which they use their wine. So real Romagnolo wine, which is unbelievable colour. So this will be, I should think, Sangiovese, giusto?
No, questa è Barbera.
Barbera?
Sì,
No,
questa
okay,
è
so
una Barbera.
Barbera.
Sì.
Anyway, very full body, really cool. Okay, so we start off with the dimmi cosa sono questi?
Cappelletti.
Cappelletti in brodo, so it'll be cappelletti with broth. Okay, so let's do it.
Assaggiamo.
Buon appetito.
Altrettanto.
Wow. Okay, this is really really good as well for the fact that when you bite on the cheese on the inside, it's very very cheesy. On the outside, on one side there's a little bit of pasta, on the other side there's a little bit more. So it's a really interesting bite. What I've decided to do is to have ravioli, obviously with the vegetables inside, with oil, okay, and then we're going to try the other one with butter, and so we'll be able to see the differences. Okay, un po' di vino prima. Ok.
Usiamo questo sempre,
Sì,
pulito.
sì. Mm-hmm. Grazie.
Ormai ci saranno raffreddati.
No, va benissimo. Ok.
Do l'aglio? Così. Questo
Sì,
pizzica.
perfetto. L'olio pizzica?
Sì,
È
perché
vostro?
è proprio, sì.
Okay. So the oil is theirs. They make their own, and when you get new oil, and it's it's a proper oil, it's actually spicy. So she's telling me that it's quite spicy. Fantastic. Amazing, really amazing. I think as well because it's been a long time since I've tried cheese, but molto forte.
Voglio da miele.
Sì. Ma sì, non è un problema.
Adesso usiamo questi.
Sì.
Mhm.
Queste sono le cose più
Li
vere.
mangi?
Sì.
Quella-
Dai, infatti. Okay. Right, so now I'm trying the ravioli real romagnoli. Okay, so these obviously have everything is cooked in the right way as well, so it's a little bit al dente. Here we go. Buon appetito.
Diversi.
Tanta differenza. Right. I noted one thing. Obviously, it's very, very different. It's much more tasty, etc. I noted one thing with the pasta is that when you have it more cooked a little bit more, it slips, it slides a little bit more. Whereas this is actually more, it's a little harder, but effectively, it's probably the right way to eat it. Buono, brava. Complimenti. Okay, so if you enjoyed these videos and you want some more, so put an I like, write whatever you have to do on it. I'll answer any questions if I can. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, press that bell button, and we'll see you the next time. Okay, ciao.